The indigenous annual Seng Kut Snem festival of the Seng Khasi was celebrated in Meghalaya on the 23rd of November 2022 at Weiking Ground in Jaiaw, Shillong. The significance of the festival is the commemoration of the Seng Khasi to preserve, protect and uphold the culture of the Khasi community. The day started with a ritualistic procession known as Iaid Pyni Riti that was taken out to the Weiking Ground in Jaiaw with an aim to showcase the beauty of the Khasi people through an exhibition of their culture and tradition. On arrival at the ground, the Lyngdoh or priest of the Seng Khasi offered prayers to the Almighty for a good year ahead. Later, folk dances and songs were performed as part of the festive activities of the day.
Ani ko may sarkar ko pa sarkar